see if I can chug this without burping. That's from earlier sips. Okay. So. Oh, it smells good and nice and refreshing. Anyways, let's start. Already on the urge of burping, bro. I'm gonna move you guys up there. I'm already on the urge. Hell yeah! Alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I swear to God, when I was in the bathroom, I almost burped. Literally. Yeah, just continue. It's so hard. Oh. Ah. You know, one time I did this challenge with Sprite, but that was on a TikTok account that's now banned because they saw I was a kid. Gotta go to the bathroom again. I almost burped. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm just enjoying the taste, but in case you guys were wondering what type of pop this is, yeah. Truly metal, truly cheetah, Orcalero, Orcala, Chimpanzini, Bonanini, Orangutini, Ananasini. bathroom time. Guys, don't think I'm going to the bathroom to burp. I'm actually going there to pee from so much I've drank. Because like, we started like here. And that's like almost my entire head. Oh my gosh. By the end of this video, I'm going to be crying. I can't do it no more. I can't do it no more. Oh God. I'll continue trying. Anna, see me. I can't hold it anymore. Next time I need the burp is coming out. My tongue's turning brown. And what's the color of this? Brown. Or some black. Whatever. I don't know why, but it feels like we started like a minute ago. Is this stuff messing up my brain or something? Well, I need that doctor guy who like examined the regrowth of body parts to help me know what's going on with my brain right now. My stomach hurts. Alright. Yeah, guys. I give up. It was a good try, but so much fun now.